wonderful, lovely parents at home and my great year 8 students at home. My name is Taiwo, as you know. So I'm going to be your host today. We're going to have a subject which is known as mathematics. Then we're going to look at the topic number line. I repeat again, we call it number line or directed number. Now under directed number, we have signs. We have the addition. Under the directed number, the addition that has to do with things of this. We have the addition under it. So we have under the addition, we have plus 3 into brackets, then we have minus 3 into plus 4. Now let's take a look at this directed number. Now under directed number, we're going to have plus 3 minus, yes, we have minus, but there's something we need to consider. Pardon my manners, please, at home. Now the first thing I need to consider is this: minus times plus will give us minus. Minus times plus, I repeat, to give us minus. So I have minus 4. So here I have plus 3, I have minus 4. I'm having a credit of this, I'm owing a debt of this. You should know when I pay this, I still have outstanding of 1 naira. To show that I have an outstanding of 1, I have to put minus 1. So this is the answer. And let me give you a clue. There is a point, our checkpoint here. We call it checkpoint. The checkpoint we have here is known as our checkpoint. So point 1. Point 1 says that plus times plus will give us plus. Minus times minus in our year 7 will give us plus. Then we have minus times plus will give us minus. Then at all, okay, plus times minus will give us what? Thank you, minus. So these are the 4 basics checkpoint under. We call them laws of signs. Now this is being derived by one of the greatest mathematician, Sir Isaac Newton, and also was being proved by Michael Faraday. That's the father of electricity. Now we have them of series. So now we have a question. Let's assume we have simplify the following. I'm sorry for not citing. I'm going to cite 1 or 2 examples, but I would love to make it snappy. So I have this as well. So I have into bracket plus 6 into bracket minus, then open, we have into bracket minus 7. So at home, what do we do with this? Simplify the following. 2, I have into bracket 6, then into bracket minus 8. So what I'm going to do here now, I'm going to have signs here. The first one, I'll write solution, as you all know. So since I have into bracket plus 6 minus into bracket minus 7, so I'm going to write plus 6 out. Then before the next one, I'm going to consider the sign. Minus times minus will give me plus, will give me 7. This plus this will give me plus 13. So I'm done with this. Now the second aspect of it, I'm sorry for that, we have into bracket 6 plus into bracket minus 8. So what I need to do here as well, there is no any sign here, but I'll assume there is a positive invisible sign. I might put it down or not. So then before this, I don't need to write a sign first. I need to multiply them first. Plus times minus will give me minus. Then plus 6 minus 8 will give me minus 2y. This is what I have with me. This is the debt I'm owing. So I have a balance of minus 2. So that is what we have under the addition aspect. Now the second aspect, we have second point. We call it the second point, point 2. Pardon me, point 2. The point 2, we have the division aspect. Division part of it. Division part of it, we have into brackets 6 divided by into bracket plus 3. Fine and good. So what we need to do here is to ensure we bring the 6. We write our solution down here. Our solution down somewhere here. Then we have, without any sign, we assume it's plus. Yes, I've said it. A figure without any sign is known as what? Plus. You can put it down or you omit the plus sign. So here we have divided by, this is a division sign, divided by plus 3. Now divided by plus 3 is going to be, you can write it slash 3. Yes, you can decide to put the positive and the one here without a sign. I repeat again, you can put positive. Here you also have your positive sign. So positive can cut positive, omission of positive. We have 6 divided by 3 must give us plus 2. So what I did there is this, plus 6, this is plus 6 divided by plus 3 will give me plus 2. That's a division aspect. Now we also have the multiplication aspect of it. But before we go into that, I would love to give you this as your take home. So when next class, I'm going to dwell more on this very topic. Next class, I'm not going to surface anything. So I'm not going to sweep anything under the carpet. So when next class on your e-learning Messiah School platform, I'll ensure I will dip it to the least. Let me use the word to the deepest side of it. So I'm not going to sweep anything under the carpet. But for now, we're going to stop here. I would love to give you a take home that I only want you to just a kind of practice them at home. So next class we start from there. So the first one says simplify the following. Simplify the following. Simplify the following. Simplify the following. That's what we have here. Now under the simplify the following, we have number 1, we have into bracket plus 1, then minus into bracket plus 2. Number 1. Number 2, we have into bracket minus 6, we have into bracket plus 9. Then number 3, we have into bracket minus 4, we have into bracket minus 2. Then the fourth one, we have into bracket plus 24. We have a division sign here, into bracket plus 4. Then the next one we have, which is the fifth one, pardon my manner, we are going to have into bracket minus 8 divided by into bracket minus 2. Then the sixth one we are having here, we are having into bracket minus 30 into divided by into bracket minus 10. Then I'm sorry for that, we have the seventh one, we have into bracket minus 4 times 10, then divided by into bracket minus 2 into bracket, a division sign will be here, I'm sorry, the right top, I'm sorry, a minus 4 times this into bracket, we have divided by this, then also we have minus 2 times 10. Then also the last one, I would love to give you 8 questions for the day. We're going to have this as bracket 1, we have minus, then we have 24. So this is what you are going to do for me at home. You are going to solve everything for me at home. Now you deal with the first one and the second one. If there is anyone that is not clear to you, our next class, please, you can drop your question or anyone that you think is any area you are stuck. Area simply means the area that you know is not clear to you. You have the audacity, I repeat again, you have the infantry to drop any question under it, so we can come further and explain further on it. So thank you. My name still remains Mr. Taiwo Gbadebo. Thank you. Bye bye.